your friend is saying, money for who the oye de bia.
Yeah, patroyati.
Na ordinary.
Yeah, patroyati. And to say a flooding time, you know, I just thought to bring a word that you bet to me you see a bra flood see what we. Your bumpire say and says and conformium. Enya papa, and saying conformium. Now you see, I see a building wall. What how is near the idea? And see the word we have is deluge. D-E-L-U-G-E. Deluge. And see, I should share deluge the meaning. Na eja. Yefa mighty for deluge. Well, is fine.
Deluge, yes. A deluge is a severe flood, a sudden heavy downpour of rain, or an overwhelming rush of things arriving all at once.
Awesome.
I want to take it again. A deluge is a severe flood, a sudden heavy downpour of rain, or an overwhelming rush of things arriving all at once. It can function as either a noun, a heavy rain, or a verb.
That's right.
To flood or swamp someone with a massive amount of something. Yes.
Yeah. And see, you bet me you say you can see me. And as I would nyama bebre e go bi so a you to me using this. You hear say benya sentences via my for so to overwhelm no me example be using as a verb to overwhelm no example. Our customer service team was deluged with calls. Oh, and just say calls blue customer service team. So our customer service team was deluged with calls. And I know overwhelm me. Okay, so there's another one, crapo. Using it as a noun. Another example. So you can describe a lot of emails and a lot of complaints. Say a deluge of emails or a deluge of complaints.
Okay.
Ain't you know? No. Say a nyama who say a heavy downpour and in terms of flooding. No. Yeah. So that's that. When weather there, let's give it to them.
The campers had to evacuate their tents when the sudden deluge began.
Nice. Until say they describe it sure. Say until you say where they come out where Japonia they they had to be evacuated because of the deluge. Yeah. Anti-deluge D-E-L-U-G-E deluge.
I think it's a nice example this one. Metaphorical. I said the popular influencer was deluged with interview requests after her video went viral.
Wait, dear, it comes home. It really comes home, isn't it? I know. Yeah. Another word would be inundated, but it makes me the avalators. Inundated. So then say boom. So yes,
baby, Yara, the baby, the child of the show
we say at the point that they're from Burkina Faso near that almost at it as a fire of our court to Poca senior year almost at it say no
wait
so wait till we drew her let's say now oil now repair expelling a honor every week you know much that or happen Mr. Somebody
Sompa 106.5Fm.
I want to be also say you be my band more award to be a man about and I can't want someone.
Baby, and the Emperor can have a
it's a private day on why you say
rain or peso or man
like to buy when I the best presenter I have one of them from because yes sir Abena say be more bomb that's why the myriads of problems so the minimum album money mom me and yem so finally you better when you see that so no na no be catch you akaba baby No say be a ne and I say I'll send a 15th. So because you up to the 20th. Okay. You can I come back.
Well, be uncle, I am come show.
And be a what would you have told me? You are some on the one because on no joyous if on one record
celebration.
I mean on one revenue goes to okay. He's been there almost for 25 years now. I see. He's just open one. More joyous now where sound on Ghana.
Almost to the poor penny.
And I said, we am fancy film. Then they are not ready. Yeah. A mindset, you know. But I feel that the youth in be woman.
Yeah.
Almost half a song.
Also, almost looking sharp. Also, looking sharp. No more who I hear. Yes, Papa.
South Africa. Cambodia. So sad.
Okay.
Over 300 Ghanaians.
Wow.
Because super so bad, we pay about $8,000. And so now, it's baby, how much baby, and they are not giving them food. They've been way afraid.
Foreign affairs.
Emma, money we be Kitahoni.
Okay.
Now, they are able to communicate to the people in Malaysia.
Okay.
Embassy there in Malaysia.
All right.
But at the end of the day, no, Kase and Kasom. Almost some person will be fear because someone who says South Africa for now, Ghana for now, or South Africa.
Yeah,
but you see, me and me person may come on and say all these things, you know, at the cost every abide.
Sir.
Two crime, you have a
and come with a shell circle. South Africa, dear, but then you'll be in a shell circle. All common stories are but at the end of the day, no. The same model, no, they look for cheap labor and they try to take our people there. Now, you see a $10 if you say, now you're more and crop for now, Cambodians.
I'm a call of your book, he was hard. We did that, Mamma Hokao, Ususa.
Oh,
yeah. Book, he was fine. How did he come up? We did that, so told to do. 2 years in also quite teaching away. Class from Pudam, it's not easy.
It's not easy.
And that's all kind of what Asia. I saw about $100,000. Could you be way? It's a poor problem. South Africa, South Africa, Mandela. When I'm just circle, maybe NSK is where Mandela Jack out on the Rollins. 1990 about how on echo. Mandela, my own feel. See that? Our name of Queen of Elizabeth is my own. Princess Mina. Princess
Repository of
1976. Over here, you could now find one name. Auntie. Oh, this is Abena Mandela, Abena Mandela, we almost 13 years ago. None come for more year. I don't understand them.
Yeah.
Just in 10 go back. Go back.
Can you imagine? And on social media, I say, "Oh, we are coming here anyway, na impenyu for Yenya Reggie Rockstone or the Nanoa to Asemi. Of you say, I jumped to follow and was almost sorry. No more ye be wo. Oh, who me entia. Omo no tete ho a nsem we nyina akoso omo nka hwe na
ayi fa nyom South
Africa jom to for o feel say nka was omo di omo ano etum pa cha omo dwene ho say
Abna o say enyum ye language and enyum kwechi na uhwem bebre even apartheid time no kra no enkrofo bebre from different countries enyum editia apartheid na koso no which Charles say, and you go ever climb this war. It to me, Essasa and Yama or Maim. Intino, when you are looking at it carefully, what you say, near Reggie Air Cano, KBB as a South African Musicians Union or whatever they call them.
And someone didn't come with a strong power. Yet, show more, ye casse, ye gamro, your summary, the Bia, example.
Almost strong and your manu tumor.
That's right.
But it looks like some of them are happy. Men Canasa as South Africans of one. It looks like some of them are happy. In India because the president's crying happier. And reaction be or the Maya reaction you can see say any reaction I was say will be a ubu mine. ɛde saa deɛ ne bɛto focus mu ɛne ade ɛde tia nea ɛkɔ so no.
Okay.
But the question too will be security wise. Nea ɔkɔ yi n'anim ɛde ayɛ wei no ɛdɛn bambɔ na ɔman no ɛde bɛma no. Because in the first place no they say nkurɔfoɔ ni gye ho. Na sɛ wo bɛka sɛ ade ayɛyɛ na nya how are they going to meet you with that particular statement? I think say ready akasa deɛ but ebi ana ɔmo so ɔmo wɔ hɔ
ɔmo security
na ɔmo nkasa ayɛ no.
Wow.
But I still think say ɔmo kasa
nkɛbɛboa
but bambɔ no
ɛho hia anyway offer
South Africa ɔmo nyuntuni kɛseɛ paa na efe na lucky do ujira ho
ana fast so free mu ani o
apart from other South African guys we are so people call them when you speak against certain things okay di people dan komo ho a e bia komo kan ngo betumi ati Maria Makiba no
okay
and guy na obo trumpet I forgot Huma Sekela.
Okay, Huma Sekela.
They were very influential music any other I Soweto Mamboza no one bi but the way na omatie tua ekofo didi di do manu mi ani bra ba se okọ na kwa so kwa kokọ ibi ohwem do manu bi kwa ba be so until se be tu obani so se ade e no yeah because I didn't hear she said no bread na someone to me o ha mu wia na bread is that 1 week 2 weeks and na ka mo nyi kwachi do sani akofa o ni no akofa ko bi fridge mu that is so happy oh ni ma wo ko bi na ye so se ba na yasa e se wia ma na wo kwatu a ah o me make drink no da ma be beto ani o mo tuna mo mpa dwuma yi eni nti ko ku nwoma according to South Africa hono omo mu da se bi a technical person o ha o hwe MC ra oni ha na yi na e ga na yes o ja do mu mpa suya no ba ye no na so betan ladies and gentlemen we are here to present you oboka wi afie no omoko e kwan o fa so ye no it dey lack skills edi ko kakra bi e no mba yi no ade akrobu tu try na music you know how to play the instruments and anyone to no kwa so nye omunya enyom to ne de ye de wom general
wo ho sa
ani de
mo fa no ko
so obi odi bia ukọ ha mu bia no David ukọ ha mu se nyum no ana obeto to anche nyum de natural for them ba ye boko to obonyum omo ama piano ye ja do to ye de ja omo ama piano bo edit concerning
them na se poro aba fo mo
nti no ye bia ye mfra omo o ta say no music ye bia be from ha o so twin farm from na ade be twa gitu mpa omo tourism Onyakopon abodie mu no and odi emwa yi a no wapam mo fi yi Daniel the lion the hey ni odo do mo
South Africa
okay to bi agogo dia fortunately when you mo Congo so bi o
okay
and odi bi su ko Kenya ni Tanzania they say traffic ni nyina no be dey
e be ko the other side
yes what I say traffic ni ko the other side they say na man for call say abrofo no Sompa mo say abrofo no so do so ho mo say about 70% of their land is being consumed by these people. Now, bring on officer of South Africa, and South Africa for 7 periods. And that's the reason why I parted the Nova. In class 7 doors, I mean, maybe to crash and now 1 year, apart the best baby, above one better. But you want to so share videos we have one here. I want to now, hey, got to store soon. Square pegs in round holes. Which way maybe plumbing here. And run as a sign the Macorians are at Tottenham, Monday, Mukajuma. And you may be British say, welfare system now on it. So, you know, I need more. It's only investment. I want to trap it. Oh, could be kind of bad. That is cannot edit show. Now, maybe one of the major year why empty. I'm a revive wami empty. South Africa for the only company and as somebody established in a better if you want to maybe a mother company or South Africa now. Okay, see how they say Pamo Moka or infrastructure now. I don't know. A command some maybe put us it's you know on major companies was a boy dear you know among Kasa. So okay, move better we'll fire more workers or Ghana and the boy. Then up Abua. Move more workers or Ghana my to provide the metra because we know me any kind of crop as empty and for some free to see how much that will cry, phone cry, lock a cry, said it, said it to a bell in 020 bell between me and you mean. I mean, when you call cry because it comes in business. And when you may be brave, I'm a name of Target empty, and I'll say coalition for one. Why no? When a party for people who support the present party, no, and no matter say, no. One fan, Korean fan could be good President Mahama, and you must say, oh, little against I will say xenophobic exercise by only could you tell black out or Koreana where you make or track of Ghana for a few abano. Said Munyama crown when you know, Mamma Copas I do with Tata Homo. Then we say Ralph, the harm I been on the genuine, and I don't say I don't know you leader and walk on away say yes. That's why you remember be bra, you call a poon it out. South Africa, you not trauma so in a subtle way. On a Sabako at it, a crowd coward doesn't know who cow. Young Pamotia, but young few. Aha, so I say, maybe a surprise, only you won't go there and buy. But to Agatha, I would be the best more. To me, I had the benefits, the benefits now. A moment dear, or a benefit here more. Let's leave these people out. Obuku take with money a year or so, and woman they will go back. The fool as a day, you do want to see. And I'm saying, oh, Chevy. Oh, the baby who's an apple. Because I will be taking my Johnny, only could tell, you know. They say Elon Musk, they say Elon Musk, they yeah, only could tell them and two cut what Jeff, but Jeff is on me. They say Ghana for every way. Omuntu mi nyɛ adwuma wɔ yi. How can you work? O ta se we nko sua sound engineer you sua. And me na me hɔ na me yɛ mo nyuma ma me. O so apam me. Da we na be ko school na be hu bibiom. Ti na mo be kyerɛ mo for some time.
Oh, mo de be kyerɛ mo na undi ma de na yɛ mystery ball time ni. I mean, yɛ hyɛ mo ni ade no. Na ebinom in fact I think say omu goalkeeper say omu referee say one of them
okay
comment
goalkeeper no
no one say Africa for support na say oni Africa na oni Africa
and shout touch them so now radinya kupon emfa sedie and show flum radimma mama sonya ding and sne watamfo radinya kupon tutu anamon ensie radimma wachi dumpim radinya kupon tutu tatamfa to baby on one rade asafu yehowa on one share so de oko shall come to a brabo so there's a bonny count no how men to my die or pin beto benkum or pidu beto nifa e bin count what would you when you want to be sure no what going for katua awade ani muti and torso awade shira and torso awade abaso bo anya wabotre awade nya uchem awade nya okatabo awade nya utipejafo awade nya utemgyinafo awade nya orechechefo pa na de bia wa hwere awade mfantomo bosumi wemu awade ma onsere wate awade ma wadansidie awade ma nipa hunu so no na aboa mo acheche ore
be producer so de kwabna ahyehyɛ no de abɛhyɛ o free adwo ni ma no de ataso abna no so haish abusa family gidi so bia ho ye enne me gidi sɛ ami bibia akɔtɔte ɛwɔ wakache hwɛ nyame onya o wate onya wode wo ho to ne so nko ade a ɔho fa wo ho gya no wate fa wo ho gya Awurade fa wo ho gya no hyɛ ne nwunu no ase ɛhɔ ɛna ban bɔ a kyɛ sɛ efini nkeka bia ni ho no ɛwɔ ai ɔno ɛna ɔkyɛ ɛma ɛso aboantɛte aso ento asa adensa no na nea wobedi no onsa ka wate 7 o'clock a eduso no eye Sompa delight o'clock and I wouldn't so say dear me just one Abena Ruthy me patwa nem pesa me ne wo church scripture bi me pesa me ne wo church scripture bi mama menchia me general manager anti akosia ago abwaje madam communication me patwa me chia papa na enne meti asem bi na etwetwe scripture we ba ye me pese ye de tu ye kotodwam ne ye de nante ebeboa yen enti Psalm 121 verse 7 and 8 me pe amplified Psalm 121 verse 7 and 8 Me pa chobo modia ko YouTube Sompa FM online. Aha, YouTube and YouTube na ye di agro. Inti misro. Bomodia na ko ho inti Psalm 121 verse 7. Or say, the Lord will protect you from all evil. He will keep your life. And verse 8, no. Or say, the Lord will keep your going out and your coming in from this time forth and forevermore. Just so amen. She, I same way no ho. Me pesa odi tu ko to dwem na odi nante abribia say wo nyankropon bia waye krado so obegji wafi bonimu obegji wafi esum obegji wafi kwada namu bibi biara enko say ensem fata abrabum no betumi agye wafi ho wo nyankopon bia obetumi ayesa enti sanya me pesa wode wo ho eto ne so na wo hye ni nwunu ase abribia enti me bedu ne no na me tell story be of a lady. I think say Rebecca Kokonsa or something. And I mean, general manager nana me bonko into na machiano da no I. And in koma yedi neko see say uo guard you jealously. And in a I just want to encourage you. This is the word of the Lord. Psalm 121 verse 7 and 8. Now say the Lord will keep you from all evil. He will keep your life. Enti misrao men fa wabra bon she bibibia wenyemu fa she radensa. Verse 8 no. Or say the Lord will keep your going out and your coming in from this time forth and forever. Enti no ne boshe no fa na semma no. Tembia wo sorry akasa asem we rade wo na waka say wo be keep me from all evil. I mean, declare it unto your life, unto your business, unto your children. Obi biara ben wono declare this unto that thing. Na hunu say ebejina wo ho na say wo ni Bible bia uti so kwa. Eyam papa uti so kwa. Enti mema wakwaba eba Sompa delight so and Tuesday so you say Tuesday there are ni esane sana na sunsum nesu me say svelte lady atna say across the console sister mpatwa mama wakwaba
yeah ena
aye me wo enye but ye betumi afa but ene so ho afa na to aso enti nia wo ye no koso ye nia this week wo ye no koso ye competition Friday na nke ye better
everyone na me dey sa hode ne dey me sa hode ne dey me
was say ye chicha sa dey ro na wo ne no because honorable re ye was so to me any obi fufuro ko jina
I knew what I was doing.
Oh go bu wa me
I knew what I was doing.
Oh, go bu
yeah, I knew what I was doing.
And yes, so na just say kind, or the mawa or on Joe she is open on tonko no na nani so no echini afana nyina nti ne ebe nyina obehunu eno ane sa wodo ho be hye na ne nyunu na se important yes na mka wuti so kwa obi beto te
Bishop Oyedepo ni book be ocho the exploits of faith. And that statement book me read in 2007.
Okay.
But that statement
you see.
Say, the righteousness of God is the security of every man's destiny.
Wow.
If that righteousness is not in place, then that destiny is at risk.
Wow.
And to break it down for people to understand, it is a computer. Your destiny, your life is like a computer, like the hardware, the system units plus the, how do you call it, the monitor. No? That is your destiny. And say computer be at risk to any virus. It means that there's no antivirus.
It's true.
So the antivirus for your destiny computer, antivirus for your life is the righteousness of God. Yes.
If that the righteousness is no a crudgy,
yes. In other words, the righteousness of God is the presence of God. If the presence of God is with you, is on you, is beside, behind.
Now they know tree na fine.
Just a minimum. Continue.
Do the do benya
and I feel so and then so me day.
I see yenya declared
my friends grab it me about Latin meet me about
wow and one of these days
some pen
I was therefore young into my concern a time known on to me and from Breja enti say at Nasi then I say vocabs corner vocabs corner inti mama yenkoi me the proselytismatic raw neighbor bow inti munya ready. All right, are you ready?
We are ready.
We are ready.
Bang bang bang.
Bang bang.
All right. Today's word, I'm sure say obiate yusu, but yeah they can't the account vocabulary one nexus, and no yeah NEX yes ma nexus into no yenko NEXUS nexus.
Okay, nexus. It's a connection or link or tie between two or more things. It can also refer to a central hub or complex network of relationships.
Okay.
The word stems from Latin, where it means binding together. Nexus.
Okay.
So like a link.
That's right.
Or a connection.
That's right.
It's as simple as that.
Very simple. Very simple. Yempe examples.
Okay. So I say common context, no.
Okay.
A bit me apply for general use. I'm sure that is what we are going to talk about.
Okay.
General use. But a bit me so apply in business and in law.
That's right.
And it can also apply in science and policy.
Okay.
But the basic definition a link, a connection or tie or a bond.
Yeah.
General use refers to relationships.
That's
such
right.
as the nexus between poverty and crime. Instead of so because say be the connection no.
Exactly.
Tie use to nexus.
Not just how bro for
now obro for mo nsisa
the nexus. Now obro for mo nsisa kakra.
Now obro for mo nsisa kakra. It's simple. And na yeba business and our law munswa.
Okay.
Define the minimum physical or economic connection a business must have in a state before it is subject to state taxes.
Okay.
And also business there. And a science and so or say it's used in resource management like food, water, energy nexus.
Okay.
To show how closely linked separate systems are. So basically in definition a link or a connection. Into a be a connected and I link it to things and two or more things no. Ubetimi aka say a nexus.
That's right. That's right. Into the next
examples we have. Researchers study the nexus between poverty, poor nutrition, and chronic health issues.
Into the link, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, how they are interrelated. Yeah. So that's it.
Internet is a vast nexus of digital content, information, and social interaction.
Okay. Mejidi say etie for ate na omu beju su nti yesra mo muyusu. All right, nti yentinsi eyikone. Bra ye twen.
Crane.
Se crane na ma.
Yenko. Pre.
Crane. Mpacho yenko.
Okay. So let's start on this rather sad note.
Yeah.
And right now, nenke was say meye.
Okay.
But I think say family so. I think say last week, weekend no. I think it was Sunday evening. So Sunday, and yete wo internet ne so say Ghanaian fashion designer, popular fashion designer, ye friend no Sadia Sanusi. we free mu ya. And a lot of people didn't know her until her demise. Even me, I didn't know her. So after the issue broke out, no, and I me call ni page na me call check ni works. And amazing.
And a friend of bespoke.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hey. And as I went there, best book.
Hey, Pato, and your best book.
Dabi,
oh, people say that. Oh, yeah, people say that.
Bespoke.
Best book.
She's a great fashion designer. A bar kente. Say yam pam.
Yeah.
Programs, events, weddings. Shows just say adie bi a fashion ojinemu bi, and she's very young and beautiful. The sad thing amiko hu ye kra no was ne master class a wahye this month from Monday, next week Monday yeah be nka ombe start sa master class no and lady no efrim she passed in her sleep.
Wow.
It's obi anim die see oni nyame nko unless of course maybe an autopsy na ebetimi akere adeko a ekun no. And when say most of the time no say obi if eda na wan sorry sana, a lot of people think say a heart attack ena anajo no see because eno ye one factor etimi trigger sudden death say obi ada na wewu won nanim. Ida say onya attack bia na dwono e na oboafo bia eni ho anabibi. So later I saw on one doctor bia wo Facebook what I fa and everything is weak. You feel say mamintiem ana men kasa but kasa no oye den empie da. Ase bibi aso umene. Afobon say wakoma no asase bo faster than the usual. And then we start to say we sweat profusely. Me pacho we say the other sweating in definition e by and there was say yes sweating say we sweating why you say you are sweating to say the yedi nsuo ehwiegu ho no. Na fe wakoma no ebo kin ubeye se wo tie mu enti mostly de ebo ne se obi da wo nchen a endie ubetimi ede wo ho apim nipa no ama bia nipa na hunu ba se wo bia ni wo nchen na nko na woda say in case woda empa so na echewa eno ano no you can't untimi ba se woti akonwam uti akonwam ena eto wo de a utimi muni tofem.
Okay.
Say no de it's easy to fall than to rise. Nti uhwe nyoma hudu bi a na okeka na sister ehu pa ehu. And we pray say bibi eti say de nka ento odasani bia but life is unpredictable sometimes and it's so sad say sister yi waiting free mu ya sir.
Very young.
And yes,
beautiful girl. It as well.
And Siama Nebusian in our shedding so people were thinking saying what of more booking or more Montaria one a ho for more programs anyway they send about officially ne family ne release statement.
Okay.
Almost say order bia or bia makey. And your money no they will deliver all orders pre-booked orders ni na no ombe deliver.
Okay.
I'm sure say the fashion house na enye ono kwa na ye adwuma because it's a big place. Nti I'm sure say ombe timi orders na ho ndie ombe timi because already ye twa kadada. Nti they will have to find a way to deliver it to a client now. But master class nanka ebe koso ne die. They are yet to know what to do about it.
Okay.
Say be a very funded
amount for register
near the end. However they want to do it in the coming days, I'm sure say we'll be able to know what is going on. And see, that's rather a sad one. With
so talking about the tendencies now ebema heart attack na bano, it drew my attention to this. We may have to bring some health tips near there because this is something you should know. So that's a triggers be bar, then you know what to do. At least if you are active and you nyap symptoms be a cardiac arrest, sorry. Some of the things you can do is to cough. Cough it, giddy pa, a pump it, blood about heart. So we will get some of these things because we need to.
Yes.
We need to. We overwork ourselves sometimes. Exercises and it's something we need to do. So I think we need to slot in something for
and
our listeners.
Following the course of social media, I saw another video and it really drew my attention to something. So sometimes, let's give ourselves grace, kakra. Especially young entrepreneurs. Too much. Oh, of course, he can't do here. Nanso se wo won kwana e na wudi sika ne mane yeyi enti se wo bre wo ho na ukonya sika no na sabi uwuje sika no a obi a wamre e na beba abidi enti adwuma de ye Bible kra e advocate adwuma enti adwuma de ye but obra jiwa home
necessary
obra jiwa home ubon se nipa baako and let's delegate power. Learn how to delegate power and answer responsibility. Delegate responsibility. Nipa baako or no one handle or run 2 businesses. Making or you be a juma. Or say running 2 side hustles. A big run 3 side hustles. Making say a diane no one or no one a kojum, a kodijano, or we have a board or kono, no or the so or we are preparing a sheto, why any stew, why a name quine. Hey! Na me se wo mo pam niema ne kura de omo kura de nye ade pam for no fashion designers no yesre mu otom obra jewa home
ehuya
oje orders no me pa to oje bookings no oje amanfo niema na wo hwe na niema na bu so a decline the aka no.
Good advice.
Decline it. I know a friend or no or pam bridal niema be say or what time will be a drew sad time no in the course of the year now me say when I President Mahama yere na also one designer what had obe catch or say she's booked she's overbooked I see afo beji ni pana de you obeye night sa ade chia na usanam akra kotototo ho niema na waba no wabetena se wani sei na ye ko. Hey!
No, apart from saying it works against their health, no. The other side of it is that because I'm a customer service person, to me, I'm sensitive to some of these things.
Okay.
You end up telling lies.
Exactly.
And also,
even when you over stress yourself, you can still miss that deadline. Intana na adwa kanu declining. And I say, it's answer a business in tea. Up to this time. Mean pam nemo so bet me atwent this time there
no aka no kre no
now so no magic okwa no sesi anu akosi table ase obi ayebi twice akosi table ase why na and intro anyway na fe say business
wonna
where you to Olivia ba obre na sabat ma make fat only way. But now feel no catch up say almost na carpenter bi wo mu area ho na che say oji enwuma ne bobo so saa enti no edu ba bi say ukwa akohwe na no otete one time e na ne papa producer awosere one time ne papa etwa mu na ohun say carpenter no wa dwane akote e na wankasa ohun no wankasa e no call omo shop nim no busa ase papa ne we e na ne mma no e say oh oni ho and then omo okeke o se omo marry is bia ne ade e hwa na onante towards baby papa ne adwane ko share no onante ko ana ka che ne say da be na me sabe kama de afi papa ni na yo no gina ho
wow
Nada Benam Sabeka, so
because every time Omuman is high excuse no. Ntipapanaka said one after the obele ambush into one time because he was wondering how the bia papa ni ho. Me wa je nwuma wo yo na wo ni ho na wo kwen. Okotete.
See entino
wa kwache ne krampo still me nema ni bi krampo wo nipa ya kwache no se table ase e me kwache no enani wo ya fi e ma the other one se wo ho me kwaje ye me kaze na 1 year twemu makoje
I tell you, if the materials you hate to me down over 3 years ago, we will have now ref.
Oh,
now ref you.
It's in the minimum. I'm sure that does one. No me try material in now my phone so.
Ochina customer service now they are who.
Well, yes, even if I don't do any other story, that's just okay for me. Yes, you more overworking. You overwork the body, and it's not only the body that gets tired, the brain, akomano, adie bia constitute body no, a breath, until you will break. Taxi driver see, Uber for no crowd say bobo, what you be work and pay. Sika what you any weekly, the what you any monthly, or that say nitiate, on your bini, or be 1 night sa no better be 1 hour be. No, I'm sorry. Obeko shemu sa from Monday to Monday. Ebi kura nkwa sorry. What's na say usisi?
Yeah.
One sorry intene. What him say doctor for etufu say. Anko nipa bia what na say 30 minutes bia no sorry na nante kakra. Na san bet na say. But what dia what na steering wheel na chi a. What meet na say 3 hours. 4 hours. Ubo se we pie no akopa aduane adi. O pay aduane di ya no wasa betena sie ene wo namu saa yesre mo trotro yi na wo namu kakra nipa bedinti
consequences this e banene say old age no eho e na wo beti because at that time no na wa overworking wo system na nti eho na no so benya wo wo twene say no ayekon wo twi say no ayekon na afi we bubu wo na say na wo nti ase nti na bra wo energy na ade no listen to your body sana no listen to your because body no obema signals obechiro or bra obeka like bibia ekoso bia wo benya signal wo body nim nti you need to listen to the body when tie no na wa anye ne opea would do umfie I mean umpenyin umpenyin fie so umpenyin fie so no obeja wo ho
nti yesre
good advice
entrepreneur si yesre yen ho ya monu anu yi uma yenya emre kakra emma ye ho wo ye adwuma no enjoy the labor to fruit of labor no enjoy it wo weekend be fa ho pie Cospa so only if so means no and so that nye eyibia ko na even facials kra no akoye kakra akoye wo nails wa ye uti kama no aba no wasa betena wo dem awo to awadwuma so ohu eno ano no abrabo na enu ani but to da ye pese enye sika ne tam ne efa plane ne etu kwan ye come Maldives any ade ye twitwa pictures na nkofo hu say oh afena ye enjoy ya brabo no but no enti no why enti it's rather unfortunate
anti akose life itself anti akobia obiacha also life itself is complicated man complicated more man miss adi no kind no hitim fe ntimi adam timu
ali
ansa na ajo kan o hwe na hwe oni obi akọ competition obi a competition gaba ko mot o to onum wi a
no sorry call baby
so kita aka kitwa ti semi dey bia no we roli no so yesi na esi so
uti na pai wo no enkope painkiller bi nwe
yeah relax
no so na relax oh
one not the whole night one not the whole night ade ati na uti pai wa ukope eyi painkiller
so wo pra wo ho
abrabo ye dey ti be man enye dey
it is well enti yesremo more love yourselves self love no aye de bia ye ka no ehuhia love yourself udo wo ho a wonye wo ho bone won tete wo ho say wo body ni say abra obema ahome anti patcho self love no my wo anti adwa
nyame ya adoma e beto ade aka ne so
matse why ni na say enne no say the makeup ni so on point ni sa ni gay colors no
obi be say am makeup artist makeup artist
na makeup insane enti adwa that's it for producer one that's it hey o Clark boy yeah
you can be a me oh yeah you be a mbona baso why ya dia akra
Clark
Unu za muna mama mete Clark na me mean dem nti bi na me ni
Unim what's up anyway enti madam ase na madam ase ewie so me na Leicester Company Limited ase e ka ketu e bi nke ya jegu producers of Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush I Leicester Company Limited and a boy must yet not say I to me 50 years say I because I Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush and a cheese also for hygienic healthy living always choose Yas toothpaste and toothbrush Mr. Product when you be wa market baby maybe in Paris with you but more than GB I Accra over to me from 050 161 9588 050 161 9588 na Kumasi so omu number obenye omu ewo sunye 050 139 0338 050 139 0338 ebusia for ene etiquette day enti Auntie Melissa beje di say or around that say oh bana be maye or they say meeting etiquettes no I oba betwa so enti no umye nche humra na ye ba na ye de no so ahihye so
it's can I get a witness it's our
Siatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne siatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na eno na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo ma je ne wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketua wo mu je international awards ahodo wo mu je local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia je 21st clinic nkwa wo mu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha se ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa ni fa so wo frama saman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so e ho na wo behu ye 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 There's a 21st clinic. Still, woman is sciatica expert.
Hajia special local foods abakade enye aduane ne aduane o ye we aduane ne we aduane enye nwanwa se Ghana ha ahemfo eyi akese we de na kese party akese se wo pe baabi a wo be serve wo ma wo ho se ye buffet ene wo mo ye se ye local continental dishes a wo bi echa nani a Hajia special local foods e wo hacho atomic kwan no so ho no de enti e fe ne local foods ne se enye wo mo ye aduane a na wo mo atentam tomatoes apro meko apro jena apro garlic apro na wo de aye aduane se eya abontine aduane edi yenye ne bisa dabi Haji esuro nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese eyie ahemfo na nanom ahema mo wo mo tena se ne wo mo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo mo se momfra Haji special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyie Ghana ha ba bia wo mutimi serve Haji special local food pese wo fra eye 024 63 59921 024 63 59921 and answer 059 479 7215 eye 059 479 7215 na would them
Eh medo edrano pa wutimi to wo boase etwitwiwusi o ado na so ni me se me de Yas toothpaste and the brush and the
twitwi mesima minya homka
Sentina ye bokoi na me die me all time favorite Yas herbal toothpaste and then a brush aboa me ama sesei menum nso a enwunu anasa de ehia me semfimfem me biem
na wo hwasa mesi aye fita sesrecha homa na et brightens Yas whitening toothpaste and then a brush and me di hwimese
entina wo se afei na Yas total care gel toothpaste and then a brush ne die ebo wo se ho ban demu ne nyina ema wonum ye sham.
Oh yes, and Crotrodo, Yas Herbal, Yas Whitening, and the Yas Total Care Gel Toothpaste, and then the brush, Abusian Chamfa.
Sawo pedudu tu e won kan ha. For Leicester Ghana Limited, and was 050-161-9588. Leicester Ghana Limited, and the Yas toothpaste mo ahodo, and the brush abedwaso abeboy.
Tontonte, yan no nsane e fadwen.
Ne fadwen ampa. Say na num se brebi beba, ama tonti na 74, opa ye simple. T74 abeye dru.
Tonti na 74 ana T74 asa twe ya dwene esina nanom dodo so. Se de na dodo bua ma nanom enyare basabasa no sa na tonti na 74 ana T74 ebu anipadua no.
Ema immune support enti obi onum bie no abrebia ne ho den.
Tonti na 74 yi nso ya ye no se nsuo krokro wa kama enti ba bia wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ.
Samene wa ankefi na ekroyi eda no nko na wie ye wa bra mennom T74.
Se mennom tonti na 74 menya hodin mennom ne dabia.
T74 yi eye hahama ene ye de aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama sa no. T74 ahoden ni apomuden kwa.
Woko pharmacy ana baby to no bia ubenya tonti na 74 yi biato.
T74 yi enye ma oba wa fafuro ana obi a o manufo ana se obi a onya mfie dumienu.
Eto phone 050-162-8931 and 0246-073-498. FDA agi edwedie nkratwe yi atom.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Abesati Kwambo.
Oyunyakupondi for Wastrano Eweye Brim, and I'm Nensaso Ama Onyakupo Yahon what yepi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us Sompa First Service. Our Homayen, a new TV program keke. A bra or so near Sasisia. A bro Nyankupon Kasa Chenemba.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
And Mason Parfait Service in Chow Home Hoda, a Yagada Kusi, a Fiadanopa, Anopano Nunkusi, Anopanunsia. Fawodaning in our share radins, na erade beye.
I mene mini abema kwakuta ya adwene se nia enida so asano o eho enerade eve da ne ho adi obe chese obe hye wanimonyam enti no na yaka no fa wo ho hye ne nyinu na se noa na beje aboa wo noa na beje wo ai enti se wonim time na do so no etiquette time etiquette yet last Tuesday say there then eja eraba son no Auntie Velisa tum say yo Ojine dressara na che so ba be chire etiquette senia ye be kura ye hu say ye pia say ye wo dining say ye just bibia wo be ya be mo dance so no eno ena mami wakwadre ne ho wom ai wakwadre ne ho wom na o cheche ye na ye ni so papa enti ene so waba Auntie Belisa ma wakwaba
Mejo so Auntie Abena
Bibia boko de
Nyamiado Bibia boko
Hey ya ho fe ne jaro sa no
Ye keka
Yeah, kika. I see. Yo. Enti ya mwa kwa baba Sompa delight so.
Medase.
Obechia o sofo.
Me sofo.
Mpacho bomode na chia no.
Ayi Prophet Emmanuel Perry Apple. Nini hukeni Mrs. Priscilla Apple omoda prevailing ministries ad no. Michi omodenden de muedin ba akope.
Aha. No.
Masanso echi ami ame twin sister.
Ane.
Esther Bekwe. Michi opa Mr. Nyamishura ni ahoden emma.
Amen.
Ena me ba penny odikan ana meka ne say me ba odikan aha
obo odikan
ai kwesi ayeyi
okay
nyame watch na any birthday
oh wow
ai bra penny
and be double do ochina some party lights for be any until dey yema ne
inti ayeyi nyame shall pa onye wakoma so di nyama no mbo ho ban aban bo no ombo ho ban nothing be on my wundi first will be able.
Amen. Oh, yeah, mother's blessings.
Happy birthday.
Yeah.
You could see
I man, happy birthday.
Na me chia with you for
yeah, Joso.
Omudin de me rent me if you do they do. Now could maybe Sunday into your friend sir. And not just one day.
I said that no crowd yeah, dance champion. Those times international one and kasa. Who's the first name embassy double do near there. I think say honey dinner free.
Oh, any
baby na be chrim.
Menya baby a meye extra classes in 10 years.
Osa left yo.
Ai me come one side me see asensi bi on no be chrim me. Me chiom nia.
Obiajo so.
Na America crane ye shall with meeting etiquette.
Yeah.
You can say maybe ya shisha to ho abra ye ne afufuru ehia say ye church adwen. And ye ba say ehu hia say ye be dasa suban na di. If you say ma we meeting kro na wa frɛ no era ni smooth. Ma eso ye aba. And improve communication.
Okay.
And avoiding interruptions. A chair when to speak.
Me ba enti aso yi aba dey fruitful.
Eso so aba. Simbini.
Therefore,
baby omante.
Emma meeting here fruitful.
Eso aba.
Okay.
And a promote professionalism.
Okay.
And you can say encourages and afofo be joining what they owe no because Emma wunyi obi ensinchen.
Okay. Okay.
And you can say reduce misunderstanding conflict.
Okay. Emma entotoye ma meeting ni mu
and a promote
ni obeye.
Sa pepepe. And a promote teamwork.
Okay.
Na ye be say on say why na say a practice yes you be a so una offer meeting no so una out na ho na beti you den you acho obi a involved.
Okay.
Na ye sha say answer the meeting be koso no e wo wasede aba meeting e koso no e ho asede wo ho na mpo we wie no asede wo ho say
okay
wo ye na ye can before the meeting no ye say u be fie kra no make sure so what dress here maybe wo ha ye be ka say formal mofo no be ka formal wear and informal wear the ti bia na a dress code cry color cry so she but I know address accordingly now one ko tum na you can say arrive before time
okay
making sure so ube arrive before time and men ko practice say Ghana man time the entire you can say uko meeting no na timi kontem obi ehie mu ntem ansa na meeting be hyase ubenya akwanya kra ne afoforo didi nkomo ebia yefa nse me use bank ana say yefa market ahodro impenifo mu hia nti ye o Madina market ye o ebia Kaswa market Malata market oh na impenifo ni ehie obetima ka so me ye friend me Melissa na me free Madina market na metonse oho why market kakra bi nti se meeting no koso kra obeka so te se na menua Melissa kan no na waka se asumesi yoti hoi enchire obuo wo ne kwan so nti utumi kontema utumi mingle na ye ka se o arrive prepared
okay
ebia wo notes kakra wo pen kakra nya fe na obi tro ni din o se asumesi wi a pacho fa pen mame wo nti pacho even though ebia meeting na say ye be ma ode ba en fa weni en so nti bomode an say wo be prepare ho na wo de aba na no dinti a meeting na ekoso
okay
enya fe a meeting na ekoso na aka so unim dinti a ya friend ti pacho bomode an say wo be hu purpose nti a wo ba meeting ase
okay
and ye ka say a host cry we week with it
okay
to
TSC all right
okay and that dia no say set up a space answer na meeting be cost no pacho bomodi say konya sitting arrangement bibia ye kama we be come round say bia omo cleaning no means me cleaning sports be ya pacho bomodi say cleaning kakra we testing mic 1 2 1 2 yi be koso
this is a one wo hihye meeting na
na wo hihye meeting na say we sa asedi enya afi na nkofo tena ho a omare relax say yes omumba intem ebia ultimi ye ne before a obetima bonyum cool bi e de adwudwu akoma na enya afi na ye hwehwe remote battery ne eniema na
eno de eta happy no nkofo ahihye meeting na obi kasakura na afi yi mic no just a battery no around down na afi ne ekwa akosesa nti no una wo ye meeting ne dia make sure say ni nyina wo ho say extra battery ya
patrai ma obi enhu frustration
okay
say ebia we put things together no bibi anko mo obi enhu uba intema nya enough time to do it na sana make us we be bonyom kra no we betimi a welcome o guest no by even playing music but won't be one no cry and can't say you are welcome into omo feel at home ya fe na testing my one to na I join will be aso e be akra no be tipai no ho ti me show yes na we crime say last week me kai cameras say virtual a streaming na ye be ya you making sure say in data ya to internet ni data ni bibia e wo ho and I review the agenda or notes beforehand
okay
and ya fe na ye betina ho ne ye to say na ye ka say know your purpose no ube review agenda no and sakra meeting na shase
okay and say ye ka agenda ene ne nyoma ye didi so e wo meeting na se na ye fi we aye ko we ye fi we
see na be kasa ye wi a na bia item 13
nti aya ye hwe ni nyina ansa na ya shase
nti ya fe a meeting na shase wo be bisa time na ye be didi there be ninia agenda e wo so nti unim what time to get up and I say time bia ya hwehwe ato ho no and I am fine phones into silence. Yeah, faint and yeah, vibration silent.
Okay.
Be vibration. No, say be to me, and you'll be free in them. Until your pacho. Yen shannon so.
Okay.
And I in chia. You can say
obi to nchen uko na uko obi nchen ana
aha nti u call room no ma pacho we greet with confidence.
Okay.
You can say my koto. I think na wo koto ahwe eyi say wo gidi ana wo culture ehwe say koto a ekwan wo ho but aside that no e won say so wo culture ehwe say wo koto a yenim because wo we a obey no but enya eyi it's not your thing na
aha to say ferry bi na ferry bi na
o panic kaka aha tipacho yen hye so na you can sitting so we don't slouch.
Yes,
sit up straight. Yes. And you can say you crossing in naya. Pacho cross on oats nasi I say a table with him. Na nim block here now walk cross on naya. Aya memfa uto entry and now feet as mpabo as an entry.
Ata mpabo na asene so okay memfa entry.
Wa cross na fe since we
producer
you be back and for example.
Abana mpabo so we hu
ai pacho cross on na ya point
eni hwe fom
patran
ma mpabo na no ni hwe fom say na why pepe
and I can say we should listen actively
ampa
nti speaker na kasa say you na wo floor our kasa na speaker na kasa pacho focus on the speaker.
Okay.
Nti eye contact and ya fe na me fere na me de ntimi show bi enim na we suti ase at times so body posture emma give you away say you're not interested e bia so na entisa nti pacho
wrong signals and they sit down
nti won say
na fere
nti class o call area teacher na ahwe ma say mo abrebre e bia so na ombre nti body language
okay
ehun here pa na pacho avoid the interruptions.
Okay,
if it's so not your turn to speak men kasa what I say na say if possible throw bibi so ho na twen wo 10
okay
na so bi wo floor na o ka bibi na wo chinchina person wo cut in pacho
say online po ebi tayo
oh yeah
yes I know what can be across na fe ni only the meeting no abebi say oh obi wo bibi kan na mi ho alenka obetumi kure mia say wo ma won sa so na say
abefo no ye de bibia ahyehyɛ ne pan so but
nti o si esua na me si me pese mbusa question bi eyi enchia no se no aboso deda enti se mi remu na se ne nyina nipa dodo na abantem na baby amekọ no so nipa ne do so ho na se mi remu a mi ra dynama na me nchia na se me ntwa me kotena se ane amete ne nchen no
ure ma utmi ye general greeting
okay
pamasho mi chia mo
okay
and I say good afternoon to you all. Now what kotena se na otena se ade otu nchen no so
what special attention okay okay
and active listening no
okay
we should use notes nti ebia wo ho na wo bo ntinko waka asema ebia untimi mbie wano nkasa bo ntinko na on fele say
wo tinia o ka no
wo ka no ho o te de utie
asema waka hu hia pa because sometimes no ye speech bi to nkofo na se when hu action bia ugina ho anu aye confused
nti eno na ubon se ebema wa aboho baby na o mate
na o ana nti se ko munim se e wo so mutumi bo mutinkwa enkasa amere
pacho nti obo un se obi aboni tinkwa you can move on but one mouse have feedback nti o na wo bo shubium na wo bo hobium make so mate ase nti ebema wo session na ye boring
nti se me ko ba bi na se ye ka bi meti ase de a
wo de bo tinko kakra enye kokokokoko bebresa enkakra and say a verbal acknowledgement be na say ma briefly oh yes no because obi wo floor kasa obi wo high yes na fi no be ma for example yes nti passion your time
or the be to aso
into ebia oh I agree yes no brief
okay
intentium say unya ho akwenya na ese wo ko further
okay
and wo betimako but enya wo time a brief acknowledgement verbal one
okay
wo betimi ama ho kwan ena pacho nkofo kasa aya pay attention ebia kra na de okaye no one when pay attention nti wo so bebo so
the same thing
time na wasting banka wutimi tie ya nka obi ka no say a solution na ye ma ye be mama wo so de ato koto dwem na say another point wo ho na say wo so uber out waka na ade na ye productive say na ye kan ya no nti pacho aya ye
na eso aso aba na no na person
oh menyao antamna oh menyao
I see 90 say na wo ka point ni say me yem pay attention na say obi aka point re da and na one ususu wan kwa ko bi ba point no na intimi kona say manya bi anka because me ko bi ni manka bi dey sa de no
oh say enti bia say na ye ma ye chehye mu che na anto wasum enti wo sorry sana ubeka so ti se na anti abna kan no ana se na wo chieche mu no wo kan ni sei banka e kan men kwan paacho me pese ubekọ further no mahu say what say you but amen nti ubepese ye na say bia me say bag ye da ho efe na obi so asori ono se bag ye da ho efe
the same thing
na me hu se afa na me be sha ase de baby a me to bag na say wo hu but say na anti abna kan Matthias but se menya ho akwenya nka mo bekọ further no we hu say obi a on start from beginning ni near time na cause agenda ne so no time also nti me hu say me nko from beginning e bia me start on finfini baby a e bia technical kakra ama what ya say na pa show active listening so yenja say ye miamia phones unso obi wo ho a ne pen ye fe pressing pen obi be kana sem presson no miamia kekekekeke na nti pa show aya my fidgety with things around us we should stay engaged yenja say ye multitasking na ye nam ha obi wo floor kasa na fe ne ye chiche eniema uni gam ho we de mama bi uni we wo ho na we bisa we asem ye enjoy sade no obi wo floor ye man all the attention na say do time I say yes so ye wo floor omuso mbe yi omaso de ti
na moti me so your friend is saying say ye meeting e bi aka kakra ye be pon na obi da so gina ho kasa na me feel so time ni ntini ne ye nkoche ye small chops ne ade no so okay ana say
we meeting
ye
mo ye wie na ma ye wie
nti sare na ye na enye obi kasa na ye di che na a disrupting for no mo nti asema ye ka
pacho aye me un say bi wo ho kra ye meeting na eduane ne betwem hu smell no crowd ye hu be ko say line wo ho but say ya ban shema yenim say we wo ha bibia ye organize nti pacho say ye wie meeting ya
my yes ade ni bi
yes shema and ye open to ideas we should keep ye thinking flexible there wunnim no obi na ewo flow and as obi na eche na adwin men ye no rigid say media na mumfa utimi shema adwin ebi anti abna kan say na men so mi susu ye now they atua so it should be so suggested men ye no rigid
chenchene men ye chenchene
I know my rights for no
unim point ya wo me de madwene bi so sometimes aya na ye wo meeting mo na senkofo ma o suggestions obi aka ne de awie no na obi so no so asori obema suggestion no person counter ne oni ni kind a very good point
na very wrong and tell me won say na make us say mankofo importance na ma obi akwenya say nka on get involved kra say na mo ahye meeting no ne ko do po say obekye na adwen now so yes ochina nko okohia o say nye say meeting no okohia o baby fofo beka say me na me nko bie ma no na
we meka say
ene waka na hye no no nti say ebia ne
meka say waka ne kasa bo ahye ne ye nyeza
nti ebia ne suggestion be boawa wunya ene mu be chin abra ahwa kwa mu be kofa expert aba mu be tua ne ka na nke obi ni comment betime save mu ti pacho sa de ne mai yenjai wo betima ka de ba betima ka ne way a enyo offensive to the other party o ebia acknowledge onu akono anse abna ka ne sei na pacho mi so madwin mu no nka ebia ye se ya o nka ebia ye ni se ya mi gidi se nka ebebo anasa yemfa we so embata de anti abna ka ho na ye anti abna ka ye no there be many adwin there be is wrong into patrol yen hwe eno ne resist the urge to be critical. Inti say I know my or judgmental. We bu nyakono for and
ebu na ten
and say na obeka no so offensive. Sipacho, we should avoid being judgmental.
I see.
And sorry. Meeting now sorry now make can say accept okay de assemble to ho and as a problem be now de to yenima partial say be ya bomoni asa de a solution ebe better ebia it might not be right ebia me say me person me free me table eba anti abna table na partial ma dream no me susu say yenye bridge into her matcha madwin but say ye bridge so I be mbeba baby enu ne enye the right thing ebi obi beka say yen fa twede ento ho ebi obi beka say yen hihye blocks into ho solutions ni ye bebre but issue no e wo ho say there's a gap between me table ne wo table nti sorry say wo kasa and now the problem be to an issue be to aya bomodia say even though it is wrong bomodia say o the solution ebe bata ho because so uja ne trasa na ebi a meeting bia na gata wa ha obi ehun say gata wa ho but uja ne trasa na uma nkofo impression so wo the eba problems are ultimate pinpoint it
but solution
uma solution won eno say ni bad signal
so say etiquette no nia eye ne say ema kire say ubu afofo e na ubua ho so e na eno aso so kire usu nipa awoye enti na wo say ye koni say no enti say ma meeting na say e bia ye discussing your mebre na menim problem bia me pese me di tudwe wo say me ba no me di solution bi bata ho me ka bi wo ma me contribute me suggest solution ma me fa problem into what e bia me nka say enti mama me nsa so pese me kasa na sentem hey sa or the same KFC side ho no aya na ho achipa ne ade enti no me susu say ye ma tax force for no empia nko ho sa na wo say ye no ho
but me Janet because e bia meeting no ebia no obi ehun we hu se na okasa obeka se me wo position bi da ho me nyanka anti abna na be fele ho na
wo ton
ho
okay
na wo de oba ya say na KFC ho de bia traffic yen ne den wo to ama hwana nti possible KFC ho se na okan no KFC ho de bia na traffic ho me ko edwuma ma me ye late enka se be ya bia committee members ana security for more committee community no mo betimi a ka mo check traffic no from this time to this time na the solution na so it might not be the perfect solution
but once what say
sir once
say be adwene bi da wotiri
once what this suggestion be about out no a signal say so ultimately identify problem Utimi ma suggestions. Oh, then any point me position until Abena ne be fitting. Into ha unko interview unye hwe nso na yaka so patrol me hia we dwumem ubetimi aye unnim ni o hwe sana ye ka etiquette no unnim ni o hwe ti patrol so u 2 seconds mpo say ube kasa wo bedwema wrap it up in such a way say afofo hwe wa umbe pese tembi umbe wo company tembia meka company umbe won chain because
because onim so mo beti bibia emudo
pachan ti yen hye nso pa mayen na yen project confidence na authority ujina afofo enim no with body language ujina afofo enim na aya men show say na me ferret say bia wo ye speaker and I say osofo say na me tina say wo be kasa wo asori na fe ye show we ni ma wo hwe ceiling ni so kwa pacho maintaining eye contact because wo hwe ho no na what distance e creating impression and illusion say wo hwe unyakuneni pacho ye hye so emayen na yen sitting posture no say na me di kan pacho ye tenase a ya ka say roll your shoulder back there na sit upright but enye barre we konyanim yes men slouch if you are used to slouching
me enjije
nda akonyen because wo jiji da akonyan kra wo signal say wa bre nti sit up na wo no obi sit up straight na better you kukuti we konyen mu
sister ma kwasha corset na me to me relax so
sasem no hey minimum bi o kwasha corset ko no bi ki o say chiguroro yo
and also
pacha wa uti en mi shia wa Minnesota ye fa minim no fa na for mo
enye easy
she ade etimi che ohumi mu mienu
serious
nyame nkwa
that was just by the way ain't in the tell they say you making sure
pacho yen hye so emayen and tena maka we should lean forward kakra and a hand positioning we hu hia me pa until Abena unso obi wo ha na we folding the arms ebia enukra na be man na ye attentive na wait but u folding wo arms a signal so we are defensive and now we close a session of like what bre what's why dream bibita into patrol yensa wo table say table and yensa wo so say yen table so na yeni table na yen lap so e wo so won say ebi mu ho okra mu yen comfortable say table wo ho ansa wo lap so then I would see and I say na you can eating etiquette bi no patron tea table no so now I relax atu so
now the one atu so inti me enfold the answer
my fold the
arms cry kind of
a build rapport and a trust because a signal say uni bibi esi I say akwala we kodi bone won't me show we nim o say who did this o say it's not me we in intentem
Auntie Melissa I mean be phone lines na etie from rem na and the question bi wo ho eja omo famra because we dey yesua dey me pa cho obetumi afre 0260 196064 0260 196065 na fa wo question say wo question bi afabra na Auntie Melissa wa ha na ontumi my nti 0260 1960 64 and 0260 1960 65 Auntie Melissa yen twaso say
controlled expression so obi wo ha ope brofu ye be kan doodling doodling nti eno ni ye unconscious writing
no,
bia
draw
diane
flower ne
ade na chese
what say o paper ne so nyina
now ebia top corner now o shedia
and to say them to have menye
menye me won say doodling no mo say nhwehwem chese therapeutic na ho na obeje therapy
na ho na obe
send
wo baby na why stress dia obetumi
aye release
but
stress
but we ehia dia na say obi man presentation dia na why ho na
draw na obewie na koliko ni
stress
wa draw family of 5 na koliko pa no mo ko market ni ni ma da bi
e je say wadwini ni ho my ever free hello.
Hello, Auntie Abena Ruthy. Good afternoon.
Hey, just one day. Good afternoon. Yeah, Mama Kwaba.
Oh, name it. You also. I saw up on me.
Nyamiadum. Now so.
I saw you go find me. But I'm not going to come in Nancy.
Yeah, Tewonka. Yeah, Tewonka.
But any agent made up after fine and to get it up. I will program and then what only now first one the Abraham about in fact that one my radio the one my main information why entertain here why educate here first of all no who can be about your benefit and say who you juma what bread.
Yeah.
What bread if you was all home?
Yeah.
In fact, they are that you know a high papa. Now me you be a fashion designer, but there's not me won't go for the show me you time into me yet. If I come to be sometimes in this and I'm said Abby. Say time I'm not to me yet. I am trying to say the best building to say they are down for beer. On also yes, you must send a day. Between nipa can't nipa no say bia una
okay
attracting our down for no send a day also a day easy ukakra
and
a day stress ni dan no emba also
that's a good strategy
betumi aboye that the listen so yakupon o nhira o pa and atem na no ni finya na waka no say the committee so say to me calling them and I'm all over no atemba konza and then can me the pan there will be bring this assembly what there will bring the assembly was only solution so account but to be one more now you are true and then me call meeting now me call and you call na ye huki and if you remember no we are did the meeting bar this a channel people mantana eba it is absolutely about the why educate
just one day why
you know what I can't Melissa me friend line by when no I busy kakra
yo and they catch
3 times but ni no it is
what
the last no meet me about me na my friend just me say me born about to program pana or boy
yo
extra
when you kind there or behwe no afa yeah that's just one day that's just one day. Oh no class prefect nti oba no summarizing you I'm a student so I
just one the martini me worry obeti menka
okay me enfa free hello oh okay so yenko em say line na akati
sana ye kan no excessive dueling no
see ye chro no
ye chro ya dwen eni so no yenjai
enti nyabotro se me meeting bi na se bi a my enfa frefre ni enko
hello good
afternoon
so
me pacho on lowa o set ne ma me kakra ase me nya feedback kakra hello fe de mu ada ho
what's my son
ane me mu akwa baba sompa delight so
sompa
aish fe yongo
ni amika say me no problem bi ni say se bia ye ko be bia na ite bia ye de start
until ko say a solution ba kwa me de be ma na say unim say wo meeting echo anasa we speaker wo meeting bi ase apacho aya pa ahwehwe na fasi wani na rehearse say wona like one afoforo na ehia emfa ne say wo hwe wodem na wo ye fa ne say woni afoforo na ehia a woni omo kasa
okay
practices stage fright
okay
practices cause unse
ehu na masa aba no
edon wo ho na wasori akasa nti ebia makase wie wotse ho den omo dwan fa me ho mitimi kasa na me brofo yi ekoyi na metwi meditu yi stage fright pacho tembia obetima ye ne habit kra anope bia ebia wo bompa ewie eso fi ukete so a ebia gina wahwehwe nim kra ye affirmations ana ebia cranshen cransash
en cranshem producer abo
wa me tale wa ma fa ho se bia me anti akosia nyame abome se ne seso me I'm the head and not the tail. Nothing
shame to me coming
can extra won wahwehwem num na wo ye no hwe won nunko sia wahwehwe num
okay
and hwe wo body ebia wo kan say na me pabo man fan to ye na afi na okofa eye to eye
okay
koso ane ye de bia wo de ye
ti eno no build confidence
build wo
okay
nti ebedu baby kra wo begina dom anim a oni omo bekasa
enye wo hwe
enye se un filimpo say time na me sorry kan na time na mewie ebe flow naturally nti patcho tembia to be say wo akwala kra wo feel say tembia oye timid anaso omwanwa no ho a one na nye sa rehearsal we
okay
mumfa ahwehwe anye ahwehwe half you full body na gina enim ne kasa kire wo ho na ye okra ne na ebete stage fright na
ebete akọ wow asa bebe ne ya be enti wo de mame wo wrap up na for na yenye
yo enti meeting etiquette no patcho ehu hia pa my emfa ne say tra na ya de bia cause me kwa sorry ade hia ne say mata me bible ne me offering na me ko but suban bi wo ho a yembi anonka ba ese yeda nedi wanye na obi ye na wante ase a na ebeye asumesi ochre no ho onchre no ho onu momo ye the right thing nti pacho say yede abra mo free wo radio no so no yen so mudi na ama ochne bi yenya penim bi enim ekoye meeting na penim bi beka ye ho ene ye meeting na yankogu yenim ase ebia hu say yenim gwase o but the oti ase no ehu say ankoyi
ene basa so a ode wo ho adwene bi
ahye sana na last na make say obi beko baby o say ina asumesi die by making onu enkasada nti wo kra hotel beka say na me oni me we ba oni ye akansempi asho ni akona
umie wanopo nkasa
wenya akwenya na nkasa nti pacho fashion utim say woni bayi sana bible beka benu ana bansa ebehia no so woni nipa mienu ne miensa ehia wo few minutes to prove yourself right obi beka say na adom no muto eduane mamidi ana enyo mo no muto eduane mamidi but unnim baby a wudin be kopia recommendations beba
ne a wo ye no nti no e be bo wasan ana say bibi be hwerew
enam nkofu enyema pi so ana nkofu so a omu nhwe omu medwuma mabom enam nkofu pi so omenya recommendations.
That's right.
Into which one would you choose?
That's right. Okay. Ma me fa call ba ko ebe ma me fa na yenko. Hello. Pacho no set speaker come. Yeah, ma kwa.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Name.
Hey, Mavleni.
Yes, can I know him? And I'm a baba birthday.
Okay.
So, it's your own one.
Amen. Inti Bonidin, your friend is saying?
A friend Obed.
Obed. Oh, wow. Wow. Inti my man wishing a happy birthday. Oh, wow. I see. And I'm making wahine. Oh, wahine. Oh, why any na? Only elder, my any na. Auntie, wait, a special one from Sompa Delight to Obed Amfonsa. Obed and Amfonsa, that's what you said, right? Your man, a happy birthday. Anne, Yamisha, Papa. Amen. Amen. If he and a pahode, Yame or Betty, obey. And we hear, Mabna, and we hear, and sending you nasi. No more, no more, your home by it. That's Papa, familia, it does. Auntie Lisa, and if our number 2 Nandy na eja, ye, I just one day say, or fro no, into sister patcho, yen. Anyway, a bra will share number no, mean that here for us, omujibre abribiana, omutie Sompa Delight, ye don't want to papa. Now, you say that so a cordial nature say, comma a Lexa Company Limited, my ya toothpaste, near toothpaste, but need ye cheese. Near say, I says, Richie, Ahoma, I, and Tia Domasi, Auntie, found number to ja.
053 518 7133.
Okay.
053 518 7133. When I can just one day, friend, my wife.
Yeah, that's Auntie Melissa. And Abusia for a honey and Jumedi ACI Ochna, customer excellence day. Wow, we need move banner, Obi or Baby, we need you who know about Bonabasu. Now, Mamu Refio, China Gana Bobo, no share, and easy. Mr. Coco to Jenny Mabompire, my boys on that. Near Drady, over here, me producer say, Elder Jerry 1. Why didn't you Nyamisha? Auntie Adra, my svelte lady, thank you so much. And St. Augustine, and then I didn't white to admit it so quite sorry, Bompire, mammy, Nyamisha, no, now they are 2 internet, so dear, why are dear. Lady Joanne, DJ 1, ni size, yeah, that's it. Yeah, that boss has it. Red bit mice. I didn't know. I was for someone who said, "Dear, me just so I Abena Ruthy." Now, me